Today I am here at Palej in Bharuch. I am here to inaugurate my nephew's Abdul Kurad's YouTube channel office. Abdul has been doing a very good work and he has been running this channel for repairs of any kinds of tractors, any make, model, year and any problems. Abdul has been working for the last 4 years to establish this YouTube channel and finally he has done it. I'm very proud to see Abdul's progress and Abdul has achieved his goal.
Thank you.
And he's continuing his hard work. Abdul has already achieved the silver play button from YouTube and is almost popular on the YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. He has been helping all the farmers, mechanics and the owners of tractors in resolving the problems in the entire Bharuch. And he is very popular helping mechanics over the phone and video calls to resolve the problems whoever contacts him. Abdul has been doing this for a couple of years. He also has a garage next door known as Kurad Tractor Service where he is repairing the tractors and he is doing very well. He has some mechanics with him and he has a staff, good staff. Abdul has also visited various manufacturers to deal and resolve the problems during the manufacturing. Most of the manufacturers are from Punjab and Maharashtra. He has also been very popular in promoting tools and equipments for major producers and manufacturers related to automobile industries. You can also visit him on his own channel at Abdul Kurad and Abdul Kurad Tractor. I am once again very proud and feel honored, and I have been coming here from New Jersey to inaugurate Abdul Kurad's office for this YouTube channel in Palej in Bharuch, Gujarat. Thank you, Abdul.
Thank you, Uncle.
For giving me the honor to inaugurate your office.
Thank you.
And may Allah bless you and give you success and give you barakat.
Inshallah.
And keep doing the good work, continue your hard work and keep the quality. I give you all my duas and my blessings and I hope to see you soon again reaching the heights of the sky. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give you barakat and increase your business and may you help all the farmers for their problems related to the farming industry. Thank you.
Amen.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Uncle. Thank you.